Okay.
So I'm sitting looking at the scene that I'm painting. But I've also got an instant camera which I find really, really useful because, well, the light changes for one thing, and I can really have a good close-up and zoom in on what I want to concentrate on before I print it off instantly. And so now I want to concentrate on the rocks. I've got a real close-up of the rocks, which I've not printed off yet, but I'm just getting the bare bones of the colours and everything in at the moment. And since I started painting the skies longer, I've altered it to incorporate the grey. It's just a little spot of blue coming through there. Can you see that? Just like hint of blue coming through. And that just makes all the difference to the sky. You can just put a little hint of blue in there rather than all grey. And that's what I'm doing now. Just wanted that little dash of blue, and now it's gone. So this is a quick watercolour sketch before I go back to the studio and work on a proper painting, you know, it just breaks you in and you get a feel of it. And I can't bring everything with me, and I'm really missing my inks, so I would love to use some inks, but I haven't got that. But then again, I can use it on my painting in the studio. So this is white watercolour paint, just to show me where the waves are coming in for my composition. And where I've got a little bit of light in the sky, right near that blue area. So now I'm just blending it out. But that will show me when I get back to the studio what the sky was like, what the composition was, and what the colours were. And the colours have been fantastic today, even though it's quite a dull day apart from the odd bit of sunshine. So, and it's all good practice.